Hey, BBQ Rando here. We're going to do another demo here tonight on the BBQ Rando Ranch by Pyro Demon Fireworks. Look at that face. It's called Everlasting Mayhem. You can see the performance down here. In fact, I got to tilt it to read it too. It says, an everlasting fountain of crackling mayhem and vibrant colors of gold. Alright. Safe and sane, baby. Showers of sparks. Now this guy, I tell you what, he's a little bit smaller than another fountain I just did, but I'll tell you what, packs a little weight up here. We could see. Right? I'll flip it around this way. There we go. Pretty cool little guy. So, hey, let's head off to the launch pad. And let's see what you can learn from with Everlasting Mayhem. Yeah. Alright, so we are in front of the BBQ Rando Ranch. We're going to go ahead and light off Everlasting Mayhem. Here we go. Whoa, that's a punch. You guys see it? Was that flipping cool?